report design activities, especially when working with Excel or CSV files, you might encounter this error. Microsoft ACE OLE DB error. Provider not registered in the local machine. How to resolve it? Let's do it now. It's really a simple process. Firstly, you need to open the required data source manually, not from Power BI tool. You have to open the required data source manually. For example, I will take an Excel source like this. Assume this particular source file is causing the trouble. Open the file, Excel file, save it, save as, browse to your favorite location and give the data source with extension XLS, okay, like this. Within double quotes, at starting and ending of the file name, extension should be XLS, nothing else. Click save. Click save. If in case you are using older version of Excel, it's okay, no problem. Higher version of Excel, you have to save it in XLS format, because default is XLSX. Hence the problem, you save it as XLS. I repeat, default it is XLSX. Hence you have the problem of error, this one, that X is there at extra item. We are saving it in XLS. Then happily you can launch Power BI desktop and try to design the report. Get data Excel and browse for the newly defined or recently saved XLS file. Let me go to desktop, select the particular data source XLS file, and we will never see the problem anymore. Please try this trick and please mention your feedback in the comment section of this video. Do let me know if you need any video for such common errors. I'll definitely try to do it, and let's learn together. Power BI is an easier, simple, useful, great data analytics platform. Let's enjoy learning it together. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.